When did you realize your child was no longer a child? When my daughter was in the 8th grade, she got in trouble and I had to leave work early to pick her up. When I arrived, I asked the principal what had happened. The principal explained that my daughter had been in a fight with 3 other girls, and one of them even ended up with a broken wrist. I was shocked and asked my daughter what she was thinking. She calmly told me that the girls were bullying her friend and trying to cut off her hair, so she stepped in to stop them. I asked the principal if that was true, and he awkwardly avoided answering directly. That's when I told the school that if they're okay with bullying, I didn't want my daughter attending there. But then my daughter said something that stopped me in my tracks. She told me she didn't want to leave the school because if she wasn't there, who would protect her friends? That's when I realized my little girl had grown up. She was willing to get in trouble to stand up for others, even if it meant facing serious consequences. And to be honest, I think the principal was just scared of my daughter too.